I don't think a workshop can ever have too many clamps. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a way to make those clamps do their job better right after this. Don't let Old Man Winter sneak into your house this season. Seal the gaps with weatherization products from Duck Brand. With our Keep the Cold Out giveaway, now through November 11th, you could win winter weatherization products valued at more than $70. Window insulation kits, door sweeps, expanding foam, and more. Everything you need to keep your house warm and energy efficient in the cold weather. Visit Today's Homeowner on Facebook and look for the pinned post to enter. Brought to you by Today's Homeowner and Duck Brand. Clamps come in dozens of shapes and sizes to help you hold things together. That's simple enough, and most do their jobs pretty well, but sometimes they do it a little too well. Have you ever noticed those dents or scratches that they leave in some material after you clamp something a little too tightly? The solution is a pad between the clamp and the surface. Now, I've discovered that those self-sticking felt pads for the bottom of furniture legs are great for this purpose. The small round ones are ideal for C-clamps of just about any size, and you can even buy sheets of this stuff to cut rectangles for your bar clamps. And because they stick to the clamp, they won't get lost, but if they do, they're so easily replaced. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.